pala yung career nyo, pero syempre nagdaan na rin kayo sa mga Star Magic workshops. So can you share with us kung ano ba yung mga natutuhan nyo doon, yung mga ano ba yung inihahanda ng Star Magic workshops na ngayon ay magiging school na for the creative and performing arts para sa mga dreamers na katulad ninyo rin?
Well, as a non-actor, na wala pa akong experience in acting, ganon, and entering the Meisner workshop under Star Magic, it was an experience. Kasi I came in the workshop thinking, oh, I will learn how to act. Okay, I'll get the notes, I'll write some notes, I'll write this down, I'll read over it, and then learn about it. Pero, the workshop itself, as I said, was an experience. We didn't just go through learning the technicalities. We learned even emotionally. Our coach for Meisner workshop is Coach Alex. Hello, shout out, diba? Kasi Coach Alex talaga, she was very careful with the words to say, the environment that you're surrounded by. She was very careful with how you should feel and how the act will affect you personally. Kaya lagi nang sinasabi sa amin that we must truthfully act. Act truthfully, ganun. Whatever the scene makes you feel it. Be open to it. And doon ko na appreciate that, you know, acting isn't just about pretending, or acting isn't just about, you know, having to lie, read a script. It's more of how you perceive the character, the role that you're playing, how you would react to it, how you yourself, as the player of the actor, would perceive the role that you are playing. So, mas na-appreciate ko talaga ang acting through the Meisner workshop under Star Magic. Ayun na.
Wow, diba? Such an insightful answer coming from someone so young as you. Yan po nagagawa ng Star Magic workshops, diba?
Yes! Alam mo na!
Ang deep bigla ng understanding niya sa acting. How about for you, Jazz?
Yeah, very well said, Kai. Kai said majority of the things that I think we all share the same thoughts naman. One thing that I really appreciated, especially with Coach Alex, is I tend to overthink a lot. And I'm not imaginative because I'm very realistic. So during the Meisner workshop, with the help of Coach Alex, she pushed me to my limits. Like, you have to be imaginative, you have to let go. And accept your partner, accept the feelings, and be open to it. And it's not just about acting, it's about getting to know myself even more in a much deeper level, so that when I have a character, I can relate to that character even more, and I can show the truthful way of how you should react. I think that's one thing that's really beautiful, and it's a secured space. There's no judgment in what we do. When you're starting, you feel like you are being judged because the name itself, Star Magic. But definitely, I feel so safe, I feel secured, and it makes me want to strive even more. And you know, I gained so much respect to so many artists now because of the craft itself. So definitely a great experience, and thank you so much.
Yes! At dahil din sa experience na yun, by the way, may I just say, no, ang nakuha ko rin doon was, you're not just taught as a group, kasi apparently talagang kinikilala kayo ni Coach Alex.
Yes.
Parang you're coached according to your personality also. Kasi sabi mo nga, ikaw, you're very logical, parang hindi ka masyado in touch with your feelings, pero yun yung nakita niya agad, and you were coached accordingly. So, ang galing na napapersonalize din yung classes. But now that you have that experience, does this mean na makikita na namin kayo sa mga teleserye? Ano na bang next sa inyo? Mga projects? Excited ba kayo na gumawa ngayon ng mga shows or teleseries and i-apply yung nalaman nyo o natutuhan nyo sa Meisner acting workshops?
Direct, Lord. Si Direct ako nananawagan po kami. But for me, I think I'm more in love of learning the craft even more. Like, cause it's not that hard, pero I don't want kasi na masalang din ako na I'm not 100% confident and ready that I can do it. Kasi there's so many talented artists also out there. So I just wanna focus, but if ever given the chance, why not? I'm very excited for that. That is a dream of mine. This is one one of the reasons why I'm here. So, in my own time, in God's plan, Direct Lawrence plan. Yun, yeah. So, definitely, I'm excited and I think also, Kai is also excited.
Yes, I'm very excited. Same din naman kay Ate Jazz. As I said, I had no experience in acting coming to this. So I would very much want to perfect the craft muna before isa lang din. Kasi, syempre, just like what Ate Jazz said, in this industry, there are so many talented actresses and actors. And I wouldn't want to put myself out there even if I knew I wasn't ready. So, I really want to learn more about acting, most especially acting talaga eh. Kaya, ayun, para may salang na, ayun na, perfect na yun.
Well, habang hindi pa kayo sinasalang, as you said, ano na lang muna yung dream roles ninyo? Meron na ba?
You got it, Jess.
Given a chance?
For me, I think I've always wanted to do action.
Ooh.
I love watching action movies din kasi. So that's something that I resonate with and want to touch base, especially in the Philippine industry. But Contabida also seems nice.
Oh.
So I don't know. I'm
Turnayan.
open to everything naman. Siguro sa horror lang tayo aatas ng konti.
Matatakotin ka ba?
Yeah,
Takutin ako, baka madala ko, hindi ko ma-let go.
Uy, mas okay nga yun sa horror pag sumigaw ka legit.
Legit, totoo talaga.
Oo, takot ka talaga.
Oo. Pero definitely since I'm new, I'm very open naman to whatever vision or whatever is handed right in front of me. So,
Yes.
go lang ako.
And lastly, Shortles, Kai, anong dream role mo?
Ako, my dream role talaga is I want to be in a, what do you call this, sci-fi movie. Pero as of now, if ever given the chance, I would want to be in a rom-com. Yun. Yun lang. Short answer.
Yes, we can definitely see that. Thank you very much for dropping by, Kai and Jazz from
Thank you
ABB
po.
Chat 11. Thank you. Abangan niyo po sila sa April 5.
Oh,
April 5. FanCon. Alright, now tulad nga ng sinabi